Hello guys, welcome back to live view series. So today we will be focusing on drop downs and how to use hero icons and some navigation components. So let's move on to drop down page. Yeah, so I made two different drop downs. So one is just some elements here. I am showing a snack bar so that we can see what we have selected. And there is another drop down. It is a scrollable drop down. Yeah, so this would be the final UI. So let's move on to the code. Yeah, so I made drop down live. So here the mount is a callback. Here I'm adding a get page title so that whenever we move into a page it will show on the title, and I'm adding two items. So whatever we see the items here, the drop dashboard, left, right, settings and sign out. So these are the elements, and I am matching same elements here, drop down items under render. So render is I already explained this, how the live view managed to stitch all this code together. If you have not watched earlier videos, please go on and watch them. So here I will explain how the drop down is being made. Yeah, so this div class is the parent class for this entire the dropdown one, and here the significant code is this, where we toggle the drop down. So it is a ph click. The moment we click on that button, so it will toggle. If it is open, it will just close. If it is closed, it will open based on the drop down id. And this is the fade in fade out, just a small animation. And clicking away or pressing escape button, the drop down should close. Yeah, so now it is, I clicked away and I will press escape. Yeah, it is closing. That is happening because of these two lines, these three lines here. If these are not here, that will not work. So it will just hide. The hide is a live view command. It targets based on the given id, the html id. And after that, here this is just the, if nothing is selected, I would show the select text. If something selected, I am capturing it here, and this selected one will be updated based on this function. If you see here, the selected value, let me go to the UI. So now it is, let me select our dashboard. So what is happened, so the moment I select, this is the function will be triggered. So based on the items, I'm rendering a div uh, elements. So along with that, I'm also adding a phx click event, and that event contains JS push. So it will push a event to the server with this value, and this is the add is the pattern match which works here. So here it will be pattern matched based on this map, and the selected value will come here in a params, and I'm assigning the same value to the selected one. The selected one will be as a part of assigns. That is how the dropdown one is being values the state and everything is happening. So let's move on to the dropdown 2. Yeah, dropdown 2 here. So here the scrolling everything is based on the Tailwind CSS. So the remaining functionality will be same. So we have JS toggle in a paychecks click, and the click away and pressing escape button. The same functionality here, and I'm just adding the drop down item 2 in a enum map of 20 items. I just wanted to show some random number. So here they are, and here also the same logic applies. The moment I select, the moment I select, it will send these values along with the add key, add event, and that will be matched against this handle event function, and I'm reassigning the same value here that will be matched in the UI. Where is the UI? Yeah, here. Yeah, this is the value. Whatever we select, it will just map it here. Yeah, so this is about drop down 2. Yeah, and next I also added the hero icons. So this is a down arrow, and this is a 3 dot. So they are coming from this library. So Phoenix includes hero icons as a part. By default, it will include in latest Phoenix projects. So let's go to the mix. Yeah, here if you see, yeah. So here, this is the library uh, came when I generated a new project, and this project also created by Tailwind CSS team. So we don't have many icons, but these icons are available. We just can copy any name like this, and if I go back to my code, change instead of ellipse, if I replace that with the copied name, just save it and go back to the UI. Yeah, you can see this is the right arrow now. Yeah, it's yeah, that's it about hero icons, and let's move on to the navigation component. If you see on the right side, so I have added two buttons, checkboxes and drop downs. So they are navigation buttons. If I click on checkboxes, it will go here, and drop down here, and I'll go back to a home page. Now I'll show you how what is happening in the code. So I added two routes. Yeah, checkbox and drop down, and I also added yeah, here I created a functional component. Yeah, now get to, if you see the link, that also a component that comes along with the newly created project, that is part of live view. Just wanted to reduce the code duplicacy, so I'm just adding that link and some css here and navigate. So this navigate will push a new page or new live view into the stack whenever we uh, tap on the button. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Thank you.